Hello everyone, welcome back. So in previous video we have set up our project. So we have created public folder, src and package.json and readme file. I already explained what about those folders and files. So now in today's video, so I want to tell you something about some very important questions that you should know about. The one is, what is network? So I want you to search each question one by one. The way I written here, you can take a screenshot of it and try to find this, or search on Google or use any AI, and try to get to know about those questions, because those are very important. And after a few video I will explain each and every question, because there's so much wrong information out there. So but I will explain everything one by one. So but for today video I wanna show you about this one, what is physical and virtual path. So yesterday, in previous video, we have made this public and src folder, right? And we simply clicked on go live, and we have seen this location of our resources, public, src and everything. So you see, this is our IP address. This is a local IP address, and this is the port number 5500. Port number basically is like like you can say plug, like one plug. You like in house you have so many plugs, right? So in one plug you charge your laptop, one plug you charge your phone, one plug you like power on other electronic, right? So in computer there are so many ports. So for this resources, the gateway of this files that we have is 5500. That's the port that if somebody wants to connect with this, they have to type this address. Okay. So but how I can manually access those files? I simply go to my D drive and go to my shop and see that that's the address, which is D my shop. It's so this is, you can say this is a physical path. And on the website, and you have seen this one, this is a virtual path. So basically what is happening here, when we install server, this server provide this virtual path, so everybody else can access it. If they can access directly to this path, they can delete, they can, like, everybody can delete those files, right? So this server act as a middleman and handle all the requests. Like soak pc try to connect this path. So what it gonna do is it gonna make a copy of this resources and send it to the requester. So that's how the server works. So this is the virtual path, and this is our physical path. So that's the one I was trying to make it clear to you. So in every web application, like right now we have this page, but we don't want that. We want to have a user interface which looks very good, clean. For that we need to have a like a language, though, so we can design our web page. So to do that we use html. HTML is not a like a programming language, it's a presentation language, so which we will use to like design our page. So we open our VS Code, and remember, in each and every web application or any website, there has to be only one startup page. So server will start with only one page. Right now when we click when we like run our thing, it's only show this one. Okay, that's our root folder right now. But if you want to make something good, we have to give a startup page. So that startup page, how you make it, we simply outside of everything just right click, new file, start with index.html. Every project you will find this index.html. It has to be one file that act as a startup page. So our server will start with this page. You can simply type anything here, like welcome to my shop. Okay, and now you can see right here, refresh it, it's gonna show right here. Now it's not showing that folders, it's only showing the index.html. So basically, if we change any other name, like we can give this home and we save it and up again, open a browser, refresh it, it's not gonna show that index.html, home.html, because that's a server like default configuration. In future, when we design our own server, then we can change our startup page, but for now the default one is index.html. So we have to change the name again to make that work. Just remember that every project, they must have a one startup page, okay, html. So now, as refresh it, so now you can see. So why we need a html? So right now, we this is showing in the left side, right? So html we is kind of markup language, and we design our page according to us, like how we want to present our content. So for example, right now, if we move this one on the middle and save it again and refresh the browser, is not going to change anything. It's going to still show you in the left side. So this is not how, like that's not how we want it, right? So for to do that, we use html. So html is stand for like hypertext markup language. So to design the way that we want to show our content, for that we use html. From next video, we're gonna start our html series. And before you watch my next video, make sure to look for these questions. They are very important question, and they are very important interview question also. So without those questions, I don't think you want to pass any interview. These are very, very important, but I will explain those questions in my upcoming videos. Also, I will take those one by one. Right, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.